Okay guys, so tomorrow Thursday we don't have an official class. You're gonna have this assignment due at the end of the class, so you have 10 problems to do. What we're gonna have to do, well, it says in the instructions, we're gonna have to factor each polynomial, but the good thing is that one factor has been given, so you don't have to find all the zeros because I am giving you one, or the worksheet is giving you one. This x plus 5 is the factor given. In problem 3, x minus 3 is a factor given. In problem 5, the x minus 5 is a factor. So that's perfect because we already have a factor. If they are telling us that one factor is given, then that means that we can get the 0 from here. The 0 is negative 5. So we are done finding the first 0. Once you're done with that, you're gonna divide by negative 5 your polynomial by using synthetic division. So remember that inside the coefficients, we're supposed to put the coefficients there. So 1, 9, 23, and 15. You bring down the 1. You multiply by negative 5, and you put it there. You add them, and you get 4. You multiply by negative 5, and you get negative 20. You add them, and you get 3. You multiply by negative 5, you get negative 15, and if you add them, you get obviously 0 because we are saying that negative 5 was a 0. So that now that you're done with the synthetic division, we are going to be using your quotient, the 1 and the 4 and 3. We're using that to rewrite the polynomial. So f of x can be written as x plus 5, yx plus 5, because remember that was given to us, x plus 5, times the quotient. So the quotient was 1x squared plus 4x plus 3. Okay, the only thing that we have left now is to factor this trinomial, or to factor this polynomial of degree 2. How do I factor this out? Well, from last year we learned that to factor this trinomial, we do the 2 parentheses. We must find 2 numbers that when you multiply the 2 numbers, you get 3. And that when you add them, you get 4. Those 2 numbers are positive 3 and positive 1, because if I multiply them, I'm gonna get 3. And if I add them, I'm gonna get 4. So that is a factorization for x squared plus 4x plus 3. So now that I'm done factoring this out, I can just rewrite it. So f of x equals the factor given, which was x plus 5, times the new factor that you got, x plus 3 and x plus 1. So this is your polynomial in factor form. You must get this as the answer for number 1. Because those are the instructions. The instruction says to factor each. So I already factored it out. And find all the zeros. Well, it's very easy to get the zeros. The zeros are negative 5, negative 3, and negative 1. And you are done with problem 1. I am going to grade, guys, how you factor it out. Every single factor has to be correct, and all the zeros. I am getting 3 zeros, and that's good because the degree was 3. So I'm supposed to get 3 zeros. I got 3 zeros. So again, this is how we are going to solve question number 1 through 10. These are easy polynomials. As you can see, all of them have degree of 3 except for one of them. So that means that it's not going to be like a long process for you to graph and for you to find, for you to factor and for you to find the zeros. So this is the assignment for tomorrow. It is due at the end of the class, and you have a quiz, a mid-unit quiz on Friday. So again, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be available tomorrow through chat. We're not meeting in class, but you are an assignment to do. Thank you, guys.